Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I found at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items completely free and made over $2 buying it all. And of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I'm also going to include pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. Those will be at the very end of the video. I'm also going to be talking a little bit about Brandclub, the new app that I've been using and saving tons of money with, because I know people have had some questions. And while I am by no means technical support for any app, I can share with you my experience and what I have found to be working for me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Okay, let's talk about some non-food items first. Let's start with the baby wipes. So these Dove baby wipes I found with the other baby wipes. These are priced $1.56. There is an offer on the Shopkick app that's giving back $2.08. So that makes these completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. And this would be super fun to throw into like a little baby gift basket. Or use if you have a baby. I don't, so I'm thinking of how I could use it. If you're new to Shopkick, I do have a full tutorial on that. I also have a referral code that will get you $5 when you scan your receipt. So definitely use that code if you are brand new to Shopkick. Okay, so this is kind of a fun freebie. I've never had potting mix sitting on my dining room table before, but this Back to the Roots potting mix, okay? This is what it looks like. It is $5.98 at Walmart. Now, Ibotta had an offer for $3 back, as well as my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $3 back, making that product completely free. Now, I know I talk about Ibotta a lot. If for some reason you don't have that app yet, you definitely want to grab it. Grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. If you're brand new to Fetch, if you use my referral code, you'll get an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. And I noticed on Fetch that they also had an offer for the bigger bag of all-purpose soil at Lowe's with 100% cash back in points. So I'm going to try to find that a little bit later this week at my local Lowe's. Before I talk to you about the diapers, I want to talk to you about the One by Poise products because these involved Ibotta as well as Fetch Rewards. So these are priced at $5.47. Now, if you don't have any coupons from inside the box, which I did, you can print some $2 coupons, and I have those linked for you down in the video description box. So I used 2 of those $2 coupons. I paid $6.94. I got $2 back on each of them on Ibotta. I got $4 back on Fetch Rewards for buying 2. So great deal there. But I also had done a survey on Brandclub for the Poise products, which unlocked an additional $2.25. So I scored both of these boxes completely free and a $3.31 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal. Same kind of situation with the Love's diapers. So these are $5.47. I grabbed 2 of these because I had the Procter & Gamble coupon inserts, and there was a coupon in there for $3 off too. So I grabbed 2 of them at $5.47. I used that $3 coupon. I paid $7.94 for both of them. I got back $3 on Ibotta because on Ibotta the offer is a limit of 1, so I got back $3 on Ibotta. I had purchased these on Brandclub before, which gave me 27 cents, but with Brandclub, those rewards stay locked until you buy the product again. So because I bought the product again, it unlocked the 27 cents that I had gotten from Brandclub, making both packages of diapers just $4.67 or $2.33 each. Now, if you don't have that Procter & Gamble coupon, you can still score these for an amazing deal, just buying 1 pack and then getting $3 back on Ibotta. That would make it $2.47 for the 1 package. Okay, Was that all the non-food? Oh no, I did find these on clearance. So look at your store and see if you can find these L'Oreal Elvive, the Extraordinary Clay. These were on clearance for $1.99 each. So I got 2 of them because on the coupons.com app, there was a rebate for $4 back when you buy 2. So that made both of them completely free. All right, now let's talk about food. Something that popped up today that I did not go get this morning, I did all of my shopping last night, was a free pizza. So if you have this offer and your store carries this, check it out. There's also a buy one, get one free coupon that you can print from the website. So you could score 2 pizzas completely free. I checked really quick at my Walmart, like online on the app, and my Walmart doesn't carry it. So let me know if your Walmart carries it or let other people know. That way we know where to look. I think Harris Teeter was another option. I don't have those stores where I am, as well as Sprouts. So I'm going to check my Sprouts and see if maybe they have that product. Okay, the other, I bought a deal that I did was on the Sweet Tarts. These are $1 and you get 50 cents back on I bought it, making them just 50 cents. And that was a limit of 5, I believe. So this could be cute for like a little Easter basket if you do those. I also got the crab, the Seafood Snackers crab. Again, these are $1. Last week, they gave us $1 back. This week, it's just 50 cents. But if this is a product that you like, 50 cents is a great price, as well as it helps you get closer to those bonuses on Ibotta. Okay, so the remaining items involve Brandclub. So I want to just take a minute. I know some people have been frustrated. They're saying it's not recognizing anything that I'm purchasing. Here's what I've been doing, and this is what's been helping me. When I shop at Walmart, after I get my receipt, no matter how I pay, I go into my Walmart account, I click on account, I click on purchase history, then I click the scanner button in the top right-hand corner, and I scan my Walmart receipt. It then pops up into the Walmart app showing what I have purchased. At that point, I go to Brandclub and I hit the sync button, which is that plus sign. It says it's verifying my purchases, which can sometimes take a couple minutes. And then it's been saying no rewards found. Okay, I get that. It's been saying that, but it's actually been giving me the money. So if I go into my account, I go into my rewards activity, I can see after I synced that it did actually, in fact, give me credit for the surveys that I had taken. So I had 0 issues with getting money back from the surveys that I had taken. Now, another popular question I'm getting is, I don't see all these surveys that you're seeing. How do I get those? Okay, so the app is a brand loyalty app. So it is rewarding you for purchasing the same brands over and over again. So because I'm purchasing a number of different brands and putting those in my Walmart account and syncing it to Brandclub, it's giving me surveys for those products. So if you're not seeing surveys, you might just not be buying brands that are participating in their program. That's just my best guess. I can only tell you what's happening for me. Technical support questions, unfortunately, I can't answer. You'll have to go through their customer service. I did actually submit a request yesterday with a question about something, and I'm still waiting on a response back, and I know that can be frustrating. But overall, I am super pleased because I'm scoring some fabulous deals, and I think the app will just continue to get better over time. Of course, if you're not using it yet, grab it using my referral link because you're going to get an additional $10 when you sign up. Okay, so I again did the yogurt deal. These Yoplait yogurts are 64 cents. I had done a survey that gave me $2 back, so that made it $1.36 moneymaker. I then got these Knorr pasta sides. These are $1. I had done a Knorr survey because this is a product that I bought a couple weeks ago, and so as soon as I scanned that into my Walmart account and then synced to Brandclub, it opened up some surveys on Knorr for me. So I paid $1, had done a survey for $2.50 back, making this product completely free and $1.50 moneymaker. with the Kraft Mac and Cheese. I noticed these are now $1 at my store. Just a couple weeks ago, they were like 88 cents. So prices are definitely going up on everything. $1 for this box of mac and cheese. I had done a survey on Brandclub for $1.50 back, making this free and a 50-cent moneymaker. I grabbed these Paw Patrol cheese sticks. My son, who's not into Paw Patrol, he's too old for that now, he thinks they taste better. I have no idea why, but if you're looking for his opinion, he thinks this brand tastes the best. So these were $3.17. I buy this like every other week anyway because he likes these, but I had done a survey on Brandclub. As soon as I saw that synced and opened up a survey, I definitely took that one, and I got $2.50 back, making this product just 57 cents. So something I would normally pay over $3 for, paying 67 cents made me super happy. I think that was it. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video to see those clearance items. Lots of stuff on clearance at the store. If y'all have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below. I know I'm not responding to every single comment lately, but I'm doing my best to keep up. If you are not aware, I have started doing CVS videos again. So this week I had 2 Walgreens videos and a CVS video. So if you haven't checked those out, definitely do so. Thanks.